today I'm going to be trying out for the first time magnetic lashes. This is by the brand Glamnetic. Did just receive this in BoxyCharm, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have received it or will receive it or just have been interested to see how this works. So these are the lashes that I have, and these are in the style Bella. These I believe retail for $29. This is a medium wispy style. Here we have the Glamnetic liquid eyeliner. I believe this is the mini, and this retails I believe for $32.99. I will leave both of these products listed down below. If you want to see everything that I received in BoxyCharm for the month of December, and check that out in my channel as well. Alright, so before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. Just have on some eyeshadow. I think that should be okay, right? So this is really cool. I know a lot of brands started to do this. I don't know who started it. We're gonna use the eyeliner as two things, as our glue and as our liner. To apply, shake before each use. Oh, okay. Don't forget. Glide brush tip to lash line, making an even line as thick as the lash magnets. For optimal results, apply Glamnetic lashes when liner is 80% dry. That is what we will do. And let's go ahead and look at this liner. Look how thin it is. I'm going to open it up so we can look at them up close. Again, this is the style Bella. They do have less dramatic, more dramatic, whatever your taste is. I don't know how well is it gonna apply or look. Look how they just stick. So that's how it's supposed to stick when we apply this eyeliner. Make sure you at least have a line this thick, okay? And I want to see if you can see the magnets. It has 6 magnets. I hear that's why these lashes work so well compared to other brands. I will do a small wing just because that's how I feel comfortable. So drawing the wing, I do feel like it's getting a bit sticky. I think you're supposed to wait, is it 15 seconds for it to dry? You're gonna hold it. You just do it with your hand if that's how you prefer. Oh, you know what? Before it dries too much, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lash just because I never apply falsies without curling my lashes first. I do want to apply just so it blends better with the lashes. I think it's time. It is so pretty. I like that much more than how they actually look here. Just let that dry a bit. Again, this is the style Bella. Feels a little different than your regular lash. It's a little weird right now. Let me just do the other eye really quick. You guys, leave me your comments down below. Tell me what you think of this. Like, does this grab your attention? Would you want to try this? This is insane. That is super easy. Literally, the longest part is me drawing the line because I just suck at eyeliner, but this is crazy. Like, I'm gonna close my eyes so you see how it looks. Let's just try to pull this one. Oh, that lifted a bit in the inner corner. Let's see. Oh, wow. I'm tugging pretty hard at it. I want to try to pull it completely and see if it will stick back on. Oh, let me try to reapply. You see, some of that came off, so be careful. So it does stick. Just gonna reapply. I just want to try different things so you can see. Feels super secure. I don't want to pull them too hard because even your regular lash would come off if you pull it super hard. So I believe you could just clean the magnets like with a little Q-tip, maybe micellar water. I believe these are reusable. Is it like 40 times, 30 times, something like that? Of course, you have to take care of them. Put them back in the case. See how it has like these little magnetic lash band? Ooh, where are you flying away to? You see, I don't like to apply it with my hand. Get it again. This does not feel uncomfortable. Like, I don't feel the magnets whatsoever. That's important to know. I'm really happy with them. Would I pay the money for this? I would definitely invest in them. Just make sure it's a style that you really, really like. The fact that you can reuse them so many times, I do think is worth it. You're not gonna pull your lashes off when you take this off or anything. Like, look at that. Very happy that I got to try this out, so I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!